Alright, today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an automatic furnace. So let's get started. The things you're going to need are 10 hoppers, but since I'm in creative, I'm just going to get one. But I'll put what you need in the description. But you need 10 hoppers, 8 chests, I think. 8 chests, 4 furnaces, some coal or lava to put in your furnaces, or some charcoal you choose. I use charcoal since it's easy to make. Well, it'd help if I could spell. Coal. No, what the? Oh my gosh. Again, if I could spell. Cool. Is it really gonna do that? Why do I keep clicking the wrong button? Oh my gosh. Alright, there we go. Oh my gosh. Sit down. I don't know why I just said sit down. There. I think this is what you need. Oh yeah, and a bucket of water. I think that's it. Alright, so let's try to do it with this stuff. And let's... Bye-bye. Alright. So if you want to make it underground, just dig one hole, then 2 spaces, dig another one, and dig down. And then you clear this out with 1 block from the surface. And I'll be back when I'm done clearing this out. And one thing I forgot to mention, guys, is that if you want, you can get ladders. Like if you're building this in downstairs of your house, you can get a ladder. Put a little ladder right there to get up. I don't really feel like doing that. But you should have a room like this. I finished digging this out. It's 4 by 7, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 4 by 8. And then once you dig out the room like this, come up here. Well, actually, if you're doing this in survival, it's really irritating. So I would put the furnaces down first. That's not where the furnaces go. My bad. Put down the chest first. That was weird. Anyways, put on the chest first. Then get your get your hopper and dang it. You can't be floating when you're doing that. You gotta build up. Oh man, stop. Alright, so then shift and then top your chest with the hopper like that. And then you can reach over that one, do the same, so that they go into the chest. If not, then it won't work, and stuff will just sit in the hopper and it won't work. Then after you do that, you don't have to do this right away, but if you have water, put water in there. So all you have to do is throw your items in the water, like cobble, ores, anything that can be smelted. Alright, so you have this so far, and then what you do is you put the furnaces down. And it also has to be 1 block deeper. So it has to be 4 by 8 by 7. 5 or 6. That's 5, but counting that would be 6, so I don't know. Something like that. And I didn't come out with this idea, so if you made this idea, let me know, but my friend Greek and Romans told me about it. Alright, so what you do next is then you put 2 hoppers. You gotta shift and do that. You gotta shift, click that. Wrong button. And then you put your, you don't have to shift to do that, but see, the hopper should go into the furnaces. And then get same thing on this chest. Then, this is the tricky part if you're doing it in survival. If you're doing this in survival, you have to place down 1 chest, and you have to it's really difficult. You have to come up behind it, and you have to shift click the back of it, like that, so that it goes into the chest. And then you do that for the bottom chest. E. Like that. And I'm going to pause really quick and do the same thing on this side, and then add the coal in there, and then I'll be up at the top when I resume. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and this is what it looks like so far. And just to let you guys know, I did add the coal in all of them. And then I got rid of anything I didn't need it. Come on. There we go. My gosh. Thank you. Finally. Alright then. So, I'm going to do some iron and gold and some cobble. Could do redstone too, but I'm not going to. Oh, that's what was happening. Alright, so you put your ores in there. That. And then, if we go back down there, it should be light. And it is. The furnaces are working. And then when that cooks, it gets directly put in here and it's done. And look, done. And so that, you guys, is the auto smelting machine. I'll put what you need in the description. Once again, I did not come out with this idea. My friend Greek told me about it. And yeah. So, peace out and see you next time.